NDC for yina muni twasere enti minister to su Kwasia modam Lance Minister Kofi Banse wan woya Kwasia che Emmanuel Banse wan woya Kwasia che nipa bia because Mahama Kwasia ne aboa
I was on the almighty Twene Jonas, the king of all warm up, or bet Trenadune, Akekanadune, Abu Bonadune. Answer a real and a poppy up say Mahama, His Excellency, was suspending the Chief Justice, that is Gertrude Tokno, Mahama also suspending. And on the Twene Jonas, Abu Bonadune, Patra Mahama, Eddie dinner term, Obisan say Nyansa Bene Womu, Chief Justice are suspending on Sebi, it doesn't make any sense. Anna, who is not training video be air cause as a land minister, Kofi Amabua, also, so far as Galamsey. Concern land minister ya to abama ya choose as minister for land and resources ko fight Galamsey a wuti fie esu Twene se wonye serious in fact we bedi dinner term papa na person na say mu so for Kumchacha abege kana ntire Twene Jonas di Mahama term it want ase e de Kumchacha ebe fire Twene Jonas na Twene Jonas abe reply to Kumchacha na in fact NDC force mebu na omugo comment section edi Twene Jonas term there ono so atu to bia manu omu nyina ahayi Penyah block media mesra say any demo over like video that or subscribe button and snap click notification and connect latest update na ba chere wa agenda mama e will comment section me so ba so a no share video more for so enya bi ahwe agent chebe na bro video ba chere mo say His Excellency the President his on process of person was the Chief Justice Gertrude right justice Gertrude or person was san na say order for forever emo form committee say omunya investigation any ade ema is no kwa no a whole lot of issue and a bemu ene as a poppy up say His Excellency has suspended the Chief Justice ICE investigations air coso or person who uniform on my internet or one ni dibre as Chief Justice no atwa sensen kakra was suspended na no ana Twene say Mahama so what to me so betimi suspend the Chief Justice or tia crajes on no shara nya eboni bia aden na bokofo no mo ku police one there untimi inform investigative team no mo nya hwehwemu o chese Mahama enye serious.
I can always mention your name and then the people love you so much. Mbese me be na pampa mi go wi ana no ayede too much. Obi say NDC for na hwehwe. Omo form Jimmy nko omo hwehwe me ba be fire omo kula me fire John Mama ne Kwasia ni mu. Watimi akọ suspend the Chief Justice. Ne Kwasia ni mu se monto watimi akọ suspend the Chief Justice. But ontimi enye nko anti nkufo ngu krum anti soldier for ngu was say that law now is the same emrana as suspend the Chief Justice no the same emrano ema yen pay justice ema police for na yaku omo oboko no emrana ntimi nkonko che bokofo kele nipa bonefo oboko but emrano itimi di obi on kan Chief Justice o tin kan de emra timi di no but ntimi ni obi a police ni a yakunu de Jomama Kwasia mpanyini ntimi enye law say oh I use the law to command authority say omumo fie bia monwura fie bia na enyi nkofo no mku police for no na me face law there be emra na edi obi okuma ase nko a edi obi won kan Chief Justice me bi say otiboko a ka Jomama Kwasia mpanyini ebema yakwa akwochi na ana yakwa suspend na say kobeja no ho edi entini ye chichire Kwasia man if we are building a nation or we are rebuilding a nation the law is supposed to treat everybody equally. It doesn't matter where the person is. Eti bokofo Kwasiafo no omunkum nipa nko free na mampanyini Kwasia mpanyini no otimi instruct power ewo enkran Eman power ni ye adwuma on kan ba boko akua se wode won't me start power man nkwa mampanyini ne Kwasia NDC fo nyina mu ni twasere NDC fo nyina mu ni twasere ma me se metimi abie to view na ma ye show ni ntia show na no den forget
No man is serious because Chief Justice on here anya boni bia but no you are interested adan ne bokofo no mu police for ebesi ne Twinsi ye inform committee bia so investigation don e Twene Jonas akeka na atwere Mahama na baka ya Kofi Amaboa about 2 days ago ana the video bi say go viral are say about the issue of Galamsey or your press conference and they were actually discussing the issue of Galamsey in Ghana here and River Tunnel the situation of River Tunnel right now Kofi Amaboa ehwe na ya oti disu was assume esu Minister for Lands and Natural Resources was assume esu Galamsey kosu saying sweni and sase who position o de ba na chi okra ka say declare state of emergency Kofi Amabo ka say declare abani and declare state of emergency Emangwa ka say Galamsey no MPP government and person be fight we shouldn't make it a national issue but 2025 Oye Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Oye Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Osu Galamsey Aircos instead of using the task force to fight it no but to fear and all things so Emma video crab and I'm for be react to that
Galamsey and Montua Ebas who say minister who did say amana nia break and as Ghana for say e sooner was go the blabla so who say
crocodile tears ya ma to me the minister and I say oba be down nche na about 5 no bad akra say okọ na so ma me mfa mo ba ya di to me am say crack down illegal mining na nya be so achaye u be so achaye nya dai wo to me no wusu na obofo a ya gi na ya ro won wo situ aka ni ye di na chebede masa akufu domama akufu ado atumi anya Galamsey won re ana ka che so betima ye nyina ye campaign tia akufu ado aban obi a ndodike ba bia na mgina se o minister ba be sundi a domama rezane cheze munni bibia mo betima ya boa ye nsuo ni ekwa ye ho ban domama also resign because me who say said you was no I non starter ultimi mu man no I simple ye bibia ultimi mu wonkrofo kwa start win say we go through government and now minister be so che our Galamsey one e dey no beto kire me hwe ne ma na me hwe domama said o si kono oni akuko bro de be save o ma we me ene ubusamia domama me who say obetimi asesa Ghana obetimi bibia including Galamsey.
So a big cancer time or the Diamond Ghana for them is suffering on your best in 3 months and also for 4 months. It's more the time.
Massa, a Jabba Franopa. Obi small boy no Burkina Faso. On Russia way no Como. I just said any abiso say Burkina Faso. Mobile money Western puppet. My Western puppet. And I'm French actually. I almost say go to near Yemen in Uncle. Now the catcher say Mimi Fred Macaskasi. Me Fred at Macaskasi. And my core Western region. Some of deep power Galamsey. China, you know, farming. Who say, Yatina, yet deported in China. Namidana Mundi Portland in Macaskasi. Namigana Vida Mudimin. Where as a man, almost just cover floor. I don't know what about your campaign. I win the power. MPP NDC. I brought for a sponsor because of Galamsey. I don't know what about Biano. So you're babbling when you're married. Nya anyi o ma we ansuwa ye de aka ehuru prakunya gina kwase kwa ya muntini ya ko etumu nya mo medwan ni na ye nye o ma anyi
na be ka say demonstration ko ye kwampa so bi amaso
masa emfaso won so ni se ye ni ye hunu se ye timi fatuo ani asekai an company for no so de betumi aya ni se ye be mo mo se do mu ye ne ani nya hu so mu so mu ntia me ka kire won ne say ensunsan so na baba wo ma so
na emono ana twenya say minister adan na wo tumi so betu Galamsey ase na wo ti dem esu fa so be na wo so
NDC fo nyina mu ni twa asere obi say ai chama untumi lances o de illegal mining jo Mahama sizi na se no ma me fire na ko sizi ma me fire na ko sizi wo no ni minister no Kwasia ne te wo esu say chama untumi ase ensu enti minister to osu Kwasia wo modam lance minister Kofi Ba se wan wo ya Kwasia che Emmanuel Ba se wan wo ya Kwasia che nipa bia enu ambe gina mo so no mo Kwasia akwaje lances afri untumi nsem no mo modam ye de tumi na ma mo se mo meye adwuma enti obi e criminal wo betena wasu an den wagimi obi di boni a wo betena wasu an den use the power to fix the problem so when you make no and the power has been given it to you and in your face na betena do Kwasia ba besu ti said ye obi a unkura power we are poor so enti me bisa John Mahama say adi enti no ye Kwasia sa say utimi ma power ye adwuma o nkran say chief justice mo hwa awaje bribe nti yenkoye den yenkoye obi so Kwasia stop playing with Ghanaians mind. MPP tomorrow and but to MPP to tomorrow but NDC, but you are the same person who can pay for NDC. Ujain na me nim se John Mahama Kwasia ofui me nya party bia ni me pobi obaba be yo maye me pema mpanyini a obaba yaku police ni a omomku police ni no ombe face mra me pema mpanyini a law no etwiti Chief Justice one client, sa law chronic treaty obi a wakum nipa oboko. What I say, me pema mpanyino ya Kwasia o bayasa, obi kum nipa oboko, na oko free, na obi kodi police ni atem one client ni akwache no, and obi di police ni atem Kumasi ani akwache no, but the onu akum nipa no, ko free, o ya boa sa mpanyini ya Kwasia. Enti mpese, ye mpanyini na, o so no John Mahama Kwasia mpanyini no. O instruct power chrono the what they suspend the Chief Justice no and instruct or boko ma police for acquire den okwachichi omomku police for no nyina near the omba police station near the court no mko fisimra say mra ntimi ndi obi won kan na nya obi Kwasia mpanyin a 10 year boa no te boko a okum ni pa free. It doesn't supposed to work like that. It is your mama na Kwasia no agimi ameka che no amwasua nyansa odwan me nya NDC ni na me nya MPP ni me Ghana ni omuye ni nyina omagimi amedi omatema Kwasia omubai no omunim nyansa kada omunim nya ombai a na omoye adwuma ni na me bo mabaso wa unim na wote unim say na me bo mabaso until say yi love you mutwam nyina me bo mabaso until so omo NDC for na de Kwasia kobo Kevin Taylor boan pa say o meda da Ghana for so be deport me ansa na me start ya so mumu onkobo pa ma na me ma onko free me ba be fire obi aya we say John Mahama ne nya Kwasia enka unko ni panisika nani unim so onye obia o just babysitter mo na mo hwe no mo na manisika me obia ma me kapre me twi BMW. I drive the M competition powerhouse enye na makwa akwaji me BMW. I buy everything cash. What dey say onu Kevin Taylor boa no betunya to empower da kopim tam obi na John Mahama na akra anya to tam noti so nti Kwasia hia ni ba ti se obi ono te edema oba na to aduane mani de no na mo mane da Ghana for say obetimi deport to the almighty Twene Jonas, the man of himself. What just here the big boss na mo John Mahama Kwasia mpanyini no obi a wo man iska no masoma ne so megimi na sa Kwasia sa no menyam na me fire mo na menyam na abra mo ka bi ma mo free o da bi magimi ntia se mo kobo gimi pa won na magimi a Kwasia wagimi a menya odan enti ti said ye wagimi police ni yakuno e de ntina boku ni na dwen se otimi ku police ni ko free. Impossible. And the best thing they say, my police for them kwachi nipana wakum nipana derby, but in Krainia or no, Chief Justice here, you be kwa at investigation team, so more investigating John Mahama in Chassery. Now me catch you say the police are from who's a police for no, agent be or more petrol, and shall be associated to BMW to oh, and your my Jimmy, and I say, my mama day on top and land minister to hold Jimmy. And I'm fire, and no dear America was suspended, Jama own to me. Was suspending in mining center. Some man may fire now, or only a more 2 minute crowd. A didn't now to I mean, I'm here, man, Penyah, Casamini, Mamma could grab or cook one in a cook for my mom with clear example. Clear example. So, Jenny. Bakopo ne omo woman kum so jani an ku police ni ti said ya bokofo na kunkum omo na mo free no so jani bakope Mahama ena omo ku no e wo denchiro boase fo mi si omo ani e den chen bokofo mo awi bam omo wo sika che boko na boko ni me se me ne ko school jele ene ai ntos ene kofi no omo kobo bade no omo kodi ansa no matimi abetua school fees. And so, some Kwasia for you, no more to be Kusoja Nico Film to police Nico Free because Mahama Kwasia ni Abua. Then Joboase Kufoku, Soja Niba Coupe. With IGP, any Akofuado Mayako book room of forces sell me in a go court. Ghana ni be him. And I didn't think I'm more Bokuana Mono or Matimiaku police in Ina and more per se done foolish because you know, money trust and NDC for me and moi. But in Craineria and Crainim Rasso. Chief Justice there, yeah, the court, yeah, the name court, Muni Chassery. Chief Justice there, yeah, then Obviously, you can't make your point without insulting. Now, Kwasia ni pena Jimino, meaning that I'm young. Your mama on Jimmy and Cowboy Book and Taylor Clamine pass it. Omra made Jimmy Ghana for so be deported. A brown on your beer. Kwasia penny or banner, or beer on your beer, made the empanamio. And I mean, what owns it? I am no power America, Fina boy. I mean, BMW, man, Chile highways. Menyejuma mobia. I I'm a businessman. Me sikani. Me America, me yejuma, me Mako school, me dear. Or encyclopedic brains, and I invest my money and the money cash flow, and I'm enjoying being rich. Obviously, also any part more sure I get to every Jimmy, my child send me a popular chill be out Ghana, and to me bar me were restriction that my page so. And to who say Nipa back on her, chasing Nipa 1,000 area, and until I make a say we are the whole Ghana baby drone because may the Almighty. Inti se me ba life na so mu show the actual figures na interest obi an hwe o ma me hwe o fe ko bi se obi a se e di asem na mkoka ne no a we so obi a se si a table na ten na ofa ba bi o mo kana e di wan no mo de no e ye me a me dey NDC for mo an top no me no mo kama sem because o mo nim se NDC for de o mo Kwasia e be ba be bo pa se obi me da Ghana for say or the Twene Jonas beba because obi anim say na me ka bi man NDC for free kwa Ghana ni bi anim say me ka bi mom because na me nim so me nyansa na me nim so me amoa enti na me no maba power mo si da bi magimenti kana man na ono te obi basement no makobo ne pass o magimi Ghana for say obi me deport Twene Jonas onya aboa enti Akufuado den chirobo asefo Akufuado sise o nyina kogu court e die ntina dwomama Kwasia mpanyini ntimi nkonsa abokofo ne machi police ni justice eni na busuanfo o ma wo yire wo ma obi ba ne police ni no enti boku ni kraman ni mfi ono mfa emranhye ni sem kum ni pa free na obi oten kan de onimra so san Kwasia mra no eni adwuma o Ghana wo enti the law supposed to treat everybody equally enti mun kan che dwomama say the law supposed to treat everybody equally. And your mama or Kwasia mpanyini oni NDC for nyina mu ni twasere mako se omusuro bokofo mu no omu ni twasere mako se omusuro bokofo Kwasia fo no omu ni twasere mako se obi won kan de se odi mra so but obi wo kuma se obi say Twene Jonas, I want my sister to marry you, she's a virgin. Are you sure she's a virgin? I am not crazy. No question a virgin. You have a number testament. I'm in friend. What do you say? Come in Pegana for my Anna. Maybe I'm in Pecotcasia for you. My name, the mama example. Say me my school baby, my biology or baby or Pecotcasia be or more overuse anybody no. And Tino Pecotcasia because scientifically no. Onya audio backward them before say on sat we grant me na se no I just say a wafo when you loop their phone and send it to me ba odo kwati na kwati kakraka ni nyina odisi ano na patratum no say do attempt so kwati so a onu mum na so power chew so why overuse body no me dia brofo ma free bebrebe o ha me mkofia me video we say media brofo ma free me ye dan me ntimi need that because to corona emie me try 1 week still na me got intimidated because nyina a virgin ba bibini ba odi no koduru efie na odi si ani ana awuram atom trom osi o media man tehwe ukoti so a man sisa normal no go fast because oma overuse body no nya na asoma de say onfa body no nko no mo overuse no and how is it your problem ti dem choni you how is it your problem? Abrofo mani nyina e virgin because omo culture no bibi ni nko na jimi oto adada. Won say me koto ka me to mo na problem bam Germany for say me mfa nko mo branch ewo America. Me de call your Mahama me free because e car dada nka this me call mechanic shop. Me kututu aska. Ama mo de normal figure shiship ba e brand new ti. Ne call say omo update omo upgrade omo nyesi caprement ya bi omo e bibi ama me free because it comes with a lot of warranty. To kofa adia unkofua overuse. Now kofa adia unkofua overuse. Now at the chronic same problem. Ofi. Me na me can't just wedge me. Why wouldn't you wedge me? Huh? Obviously the insult to the leaders are too much. We are NDC in Kwasia Penyah. Ayo ya se me di your mama buanatem. say o offer and a police ni ana offer na soldier ni ana o ye den krobi mu fo dem rasho mu nsem no makuni free ana mampanyini ni Kwasia mpanyini na pretend say on teye see e bokofo mo na iku police for on teye say you no Kwasia mpanyini no o ma pretend say o monti kasa America say by now 2 weeks ago say news about that say victims no criminals na go to police for ni to ya chi o na dada say police ni yetu ni tuo na foolish case ya bisa won say Ghana ni a onye police ni Ghana ni oni aban mu Ghana ni a oni abusuani bi awa aban mu obi koku na be dan be foolish case. And what kind of country are we building? Won ya meche no entiman panyin o ye Kwasia emra ntimi di akosia entimi ni ya edi ya entimi ni adwoa eye Kwasia mampanyin eye IGP na was dan pare na was wa kasa amiri wasesa the day no mtutuo no bo ka no ma ko besese o mnyina kogu prison na dan pare te so na bokofo mu wari no mo ne na mo dan pare te so na dobo oni akofo adu te so na bokofo Kwasiafo no mo ne na mo corona time dan pare se ma sa mo obi ampi ko tre kura ntimi ampi oboko ko tre na ai Mahama Kwasia we aba no jiji omo so ana Kwasia mementi wo hwe omo se jiji criminals no mo menyini because me omo ka chem se omo nya Mahama omo bebo ni tu akuno bokofo na ka chem enti se wo no wanye criminal no ono mfa ho se me criminal nim se we NDC ni we MPP ni o etuo no mo di ama omo na mo be ma sojafo agba awuraku mu ajiji tuo na from se ma che o se bokofo no omo ni kapre omo nti se asantefo a omo wo nyapade no dabi se wo kwagiji tuo na omo nya sika nkototuo enti why dey ade no omo di koku obi ba tuo na ba omi Kwasia and taxpayers money total de koma omo no eno na ama omo di kumini pa enti se mo di sojafo bo wura krom wo na omo bo wura obi akrom efie na omo gi tuo ni free ni sema why na koku obi bio dabi majiminti majamwa we na omo kurukuratuo en me ka chom se mampusi ni ye onua boko ni sa ai munyina na mgu boko half of boko mampusi fu ni ai ni kusasi fu ni makọ boko akwa betoda ensuo kura keke no mampusi ni timi ko kusasi ni fie ko jinsuo boko asantefo ene bonofo entokwa me sa na boko ne mampusi fu de enete e homo ye the same group enti na mukumo because ba omi na Jimmy na odi tuo na bremo a enche se mo mfa nkokumo ba Mahama Kwasia no the tuo na di boni o the di boni o maku police ni enti this is a fine case I say nkamu gina so e the reinforcement ko gituo bi afro bi ansem de obejimi bia no ma boni tuo ko no de obejimi bia no ma china kotum no ma country na e peace da bi majimi ana mo afie ma pretend say monte say Nkwasiafo atutrafo kuratu ena ezi mobile money ni ade nyina ntimi nya adwuma oboko area o because otwa the tuo ba bisi uzo aji usika nyina no ma say ku aguso nanti say the first say nipa ntimi tutuo bo IGP kam kra or try so ku IGP no that right there no esenke ma IGP no woni minyansa ti say ayi adam pare aka o say ho na o chi nipa ndeko police station kotum ana o de o sisam ko na afi kromo ofo nyina hu say wo ko jimi a wo be ko akodam there be majimi ntimu ho afin wow also they are still fighting but say me nim say Mahama Kwasia no what nation are you rebuilding oti your mind mu na enipe kumkum nipa ro eno am ka chem say sia no o pe nipa body nipa part a oba boko a Nigeria fo ni nyina ba onti say bia o ma misika na o pe nipa ti a ma ba wuro bi fie ni ma kuno no ma mi tina brew no ma jimi sika ko de omo ye oboko no omo kum nipa ton because your mama boa no esuro boko fo Kwasiafo yi what kind of leader are you calling yourself na Kwasia oba chief justice here me won den na me investigation team we investigating Kwasia untim fa investigation team ko bokofo mu afin we ho wo ho enkon kwachira mu nyansa nkwachichi o mu da bi but nkran na nkran ni mraso kumasi ni mraso na tani Kwasia panyi no te boko de yenya no nkuni nua nkuni maame nkuni papa Mahama uni twasere
en for so be no so Galamsey koso minister ya tu se boy nso ni asase ho bai tu Galamsey asia utifie na wusu no ye nya dai wona wotumi so betumi tu ase nti wusu no ye nya dai Ghana for ye a wusu a kire ye nya dai na abeka na nsemu Twene Jonas inga bae kana nkyere Mahama so far as na bɔ kɔntansɛm no ɛyɛ concern bae kana nkyere Mahama ɛma mu no so for Kumchacha ɛma counter defense ɛbɛbɔ bɔ na nkyere Twene Jonas ɛsɛ Twene Jonas onimu nyansa adentro di Mahama atem afei na bra so Twene Jonas person or reply Kumchacha na ensɛm pa Twene Jonas akache Kumchacha da busua enye easy
obi si Kumchacha di matem ni twa asere se mu ayi o NDC ni ntia so ya bo mpe no kre na me ka cho se train na mu nyame shabroni o se train na mu no oro mare yari nyame shabroni me join highway na me ko New York Kumchacha ni twa asere na no ho femfem Kwasia mpanyin Yesu bi anka nkire no stomach pastor Mahama maniska o odi na fu nenam Steven Yao Mensa, I'll say how are you doing, bro? I'm doing so good, man. I'm a kwaje me BMW no. Me empower no. And I'm a chill highway vibe. I feel on my fix area now omo me see omo twini ma me more house power. I feel on my twini area I'm chill. I'm enjoying being rich. Kumchacha no fi e come na de no no ojimi. E come ani bre e come na di omo nyina come di omo stomach pasta. Obi ani wa o ye nyame adwuma nyame akasa kire no ye nyame difo a obesuso nipa kum so obi nkum nipa nko free da e wo wi ase ba bia ukum nipa e say yesi wabo kum even bible no kura obi ani okum nipa ko free what you say na obi akum nipa na Mahama Kwasia mpanyi eni yohonu Kwasia fo mi no ma pretend say omonte na NDC fo Kwasia fo ni nyina eguga na ho support Jimmy we abra I dam pare na tiso akaban na kuro no ma boku kuro ni nyina dan empty boku adan be 15 pennies wo no no maja omo so nyimi abra mbetimi akokuro no akọ akọ ede akọ gituo na bro boys ni akire omo nyansa da bi Mahama ya poanti waja omo no mu jimi a na me fire na atiana na it insult is too much uni class ni pana jimi no nyan nipa na jimi no menya nan why aboa no menya nan Mahama o show asifi Mahama wa funu se de yahu to Kwasia mpanyin kan boko osisi anam kwachi nipa boni fo no ma police ni no Mahama Kwasia mpanyin obviously these people bribe Kumchacha so medi matem sa no mutie which Kevin Taylor boy sa no mudada de ko kache se o mejimi wa Mumpe no kure Kwasia selfish people. NDC MP before na teso a ana obi aku police ni kofi anka obi hu o ma no denden no de mu hu afiafia be go social media. Be di atem but Mahama Kwasia ne de o ma pretend say normal obi nkum ni pan kofi na boku ni no o free boku ho na okuni nua no mo sen wi ahe no obeba kumase obeba nkran no obe start ya be kumo memeti America tutu obo obi a ombebo otu aku anya sanso akoda prison forever anya Mahama na ebu America Trump na ebu America wa obeba be jimi bia ebu otu aku ana se akodam Mahama nkwan na Kwasia bokofo mwa ekum nipa oda otewo pretend say ontie we ya poa until say what in the Kwasia every investigation team so monko boko enko criminals ne de menya no me fire na Kwasia obi tinkan de yes el chief justice ono nkokum nipa no ono nkokum nipa chief justice boni awa ya bribe no majiji bribe nkum nipa ano de ya investigation team a suspending no ba boko fo mo ane de ye ja mo so mo ne na mo muni twa asere makoma NDC fo nyina muni twa asere makoma NDC fo nyina da bia mba be gina mo so mo ka se be jama mo yale muni twa asere makoma and obviously suspending chief justice is not necessary so my Jimmy ade ahu hia na ye de be ma mo vote no monye enra say land minister na betena ho su say untumi se nsu Kwasia ma medina tema nka aka so be suspending untumi mining center o mu se nsu afa soja fo ko stop o mu Jimmy utu osu an den Kwasia minister no ne mampanyini no o represent mampanyini o fre soja fo esi o medi wachi o fre police o medi wachi nti Kwasia obi ye Galamsey a edi enti na utu osu wo ya boa Ghana ni ese ni krom nsuo no utu osu a eno it makes sense because on the power bia a odi be there e be kwa stop ni pa body for ba minister boa na wetina osu na no amedi hit man ade a chin ye no mde Kwasia kwa stop but dem Jimmy no it is Mahama Kwasia you wuti me instruction say may suspend the Chief Justice. But to me, my instruction say investigation team Koboko. Only pa boni form to police for you na the prison. That be what Jimmy. I know the wa pretend say on tie. Only you know Kwasia for me no. Na Kwasia mo ka se mema no akwa slide obi nkum nipa nko free o mani so ada. Me found say NDC or na MPP ne rule. Ukum nipa, we need justice. You have to be arrested. Entina na ebasia na fedam pare. Kobisa the omde ye ayifo no. The we kobisa the omde ye ayifo no. Omum ku soja ni Mahama no. Mahama no state barrier MPP oma Jimmy said the kra unkum nipa no IGP no dampare nya house ko free da impossible. You no knaman no ne Mahama Kwasia for me no Jimmy for me no na omo support to crime. Omo support to crime team the ombe ko position oma Jimmy no do because man for man kwa ombe jana tamale for so start here ko omo akum nipa na atiesi tachiman obi hu anse Ghana nyina adane awudi fokro team the ombe ko position because we man panyin na obi kum nipa na Kwasia usuro criminal no ntimi man yankwache na we apoa man panyin na obu no eno anse kire ne sen criminal na ku police ni wan ku Ghana ni individual kura wa ku police ni na ntimi instruct power me yankwache criminal na we Kwasia we aboa the power no ntimi instruct police for ne ka kire me da bi anra se me nwuma na me omo kasa almost we a 30 minutes job ye betimi abawura kuro bia maji obi afie. It is still you who knows your munche fie uniform. Mon pie makro no. Omontina chese police ni no mom no yamano ye de embagu ato police ni no mom so. Ena criminal no mom ene nam kro no free. Na police ni yamano embagu nyama hama ni yo no Kwasiafo a Ghana ni be pa ni betimi akoka che police for say mu pia mekumo. Nyaga yohono ne Kwasiafo mi no ya tama Mahama teso akufo ado mo tukra yesi o magimi no mo teso no boku ni bi tumi ka say police ni pia mekunu da bi ni wiase kuro bia ni ho Mahama boy nkwa na soso mwa we so enti stomach pastor to say Kumchacha NDC munya no ya boa selfish man na me we no pa ya me boni say bokufo no police ni na ebe ya na pa ya me boni say bokufo no Omeden omotisi Kumasi nkran na omukum Ghana for na omunku Kumchacha nkran because here and the person the two be so the be robo Kumasi nkran because said your mama ya boa ontimi me ankwaji tuo ne dia de no de be ko ma cho say hono munyi adwuma pepa bia adwuma ni kuro no je ne ade no moye omudo enti se mama mu tuo so omfa nku mu a omudi tuo no be ba be de be ba be robo mu sima jimi na mo oman no yete wona pampanyine jimi sei na pampanyine ni police jimi sei ni so abra police for ne sem anya madwuma mo de momma instruction keke se omo nwura kuro no anyi ji tuo ne keke na police for me no kasa asema ka che me say omo hu type of amamu Mahama ebu ne kura bida omo hu bida because nipa na criminal kura tu wan kwaje odbekum nipa de ntina am yankwaje mo ade ntina mo nkoro bogu kromo no mo nyituo no mo nchi criminals no ade ntina musuro boko ade deal na Mahama Kwasia no woni bokofo no wa enu nti on pese ye beko akwachi nipa krokro ku police ni no omo nimni potutuo ku police ni omo nimni nyina police fo ni bibia ba se on mema order say mo nkona mo kwachi nipa kromfa no emra court no enu na Mahama boa ne pese obeye no enu nti na me fire back to back aboa no on bezo obeye no police for ni say a simple job ekura ne kese nuru tesano ne kese nuru kaswa ne kese nuru santase ne kese nuru abu akwa kuro ketekete tse boko police for ni betimi akobua wura obi afi agigitu edi nti na Mahama kwan mo yen kwagigitu no bone ben any deal ben pa bone ben na ade aye bokofo na ufi se akwadwo mutu no ba be kama Ghana fo amwani magu asentia usuro se mampanyini criminal na mo ma police fo ne order se monyigi tuo ni from nsem da bi magimi na mwa we me yo mo adwuma because men twen na mo fatuo ni mra emekumkum nipa ukum nipa wi antime fa nkwane mabio enti criminal wakum nipa no ye ntina ho na criminal nya ho matoto police panyini tuo na me ko free police ni ba ku ka che say boy no tutu bo IGP ni kam no onim dan odam sesi ame no ka say omo de police for me en sakura bitima ko fa no But say your mama buan bema order say ana you not buan bema because the order na ye adwuma manya order na omuntime nko omu say no ye adwuma that say court ama rest court ama order say enkochi obi ana mampanyini no ana omumpanyini omu general inspector na IGP na ma order say enkochi obi. Apart from that no police need to find pay enkochi criminal adi say wanya order to me free panyini ho. Enti omu ni babi omu nyina agu obi ko bokukuro no ketua bi na police for no local police for no bokofo na bi na o police no tamalefo any man police for na bi police for won. Enti they know where their people live. Enti just order keka boy your mama ne your no muam yenu omu de be ma omu say mu nko na mu nko wura ha nko fa criminals no eno na ye asem na wagimisi a mampanyini no ye ni style ben no
Chira wadwe mame ewo comments weni atemu a Twene Jonas edeba ene obi anya ne share. What is your view on that? Because I didn't chira ego comment section. Aha Penyah Vlog Media. Akra.